1976 Gremlin 1/25th scale model from AMT. Well, the Gremlin's from AMC, American Motors Company. The scale model is from AMT, Aluminum Model Toys, which I think was, the scale models started as promotionals for actual real cars hitting the dealer showroom. So this I just got off eBay. I got it for $22 plus shipping. But the shipping, when I clicked buy, I didn't really look at the shipping cost. It wound up being like $12 or something. So I don't know. I guess $34 to your door isn't terrible. I'm just cheap. That's all. So anyways, let's take a look at this thing. Allegedly, it has an art print in here too. Here's one side. It's a 2-in-1. You can build it stock or as a racer, drag racer, I'm guessing, because you're jacking up the rear end and it's got a big hood scoop, roll bar. Let's see, stock or potent drag racer. Yeah, potent even. And then here's the back. Let's take a look at that. And let's see what's in here. I just recently got back into the scale model hobby. If you watched any of my videos, you know I do have real cars. But I don't know. It's a nice diversion. It's relaxing. I just almost finished my first one I've done in 20 years. Maybe I'll do a video on that. I didn't think about it as I got the model. But unboxings have proven to be pretty useful as I was shopping around for the first ones I wanted to build. I picked this one because my mother had a Gremlin in the 70s, and I remember riding around with it when I was a kid. Orange one. Okay, so what do we got? Looks like body and tub. Looks pretty good quality. Nice lines, nice detail. Just a little flash there, no problem. There. It's our chassis. Good detail in there. It's a fuel line. Maybe parking brake cables there. Yeah, parking brake cables even. Tank. It's pretty good. And then on AMC's, the engine bays, like Mopars, were body color. Here's our interior tub. Just a brake pedal and accelerator pedal are molded in. A hump here. Okay. Some wheels and tires. Look like the tail lights there. Let's see. Check out the tires. And there's our 2 metal axles. So I'm guessing the front tires stay the same, either version. Big and littles, you call that the drag strip. And then you got the option for the big tires in the back, which is, I think what I'm going to do is, my mother's Gremlin was orange, so I'm probably going to do an homage to her orange Gremlin, but I'll make it kind of half street and half drag racer. My mother was not a drag racer by any means, but it's a tribute, so we can do that. This is a nice slick right here. M&H Race Master. So these are rubber, these slicks, and then these ones are vinyl, the regular tires. Might have to paint a little detail on the white wall, on the lettering there, which I have proven to not be very good at so far. But how do you get better, right? Try it again. All right, some chrome. Try and do that cleaner. All right, 2 sets of wheels. These are stock. They look like it's like a Mopar style stock wheel. And then we got these, which look like an American Racing kind of, or Craigar 5-spoke. Don't know what we'll use yet. What the heck is that? Don't know. It would be a huge automatic transmission pan or something. Okay, we got some chrome valve covers. Here's our grill. Bumpers, of course. And then I think, side pipes. We're going to have to do side pipes. And then this is a spoiler. I think it goes back right there. I think. It could be the lip spoiler, too. We'll find out. But in either case, we'll probably use it. Got a spoiler. Might as well use it. Okay, I don't need to open the glass, but here's the glass. Looks like it got a smoked option, tinted, and a clear. Might go with the smoke on a couple of windows just for something different. Maybe the back and the 2 rear sides, not a smoked windshield. It's not a Dodge Charger or Challenger. All right, and now we have a bag of parts to paint. So this says original art series, so there's a piece of art in here, which we'll see in a minute, but it also says it's, I think these are new tooling and everything as well. Round 2 models is what's on the box here. Round 2, the number 2 not spelled out. Okay, what do you got? Is there some kind of trim rings maybe for the wheels? Torsion bars? I don't know. Find out what that is. Some pretty good, okay firewall detail here. So it goes like that. So that was probably the windshield wiper motor. Tiny master cylinder. And here's the core support, radiator. License plates, we won't use that. Leaf springs, battery. And here's the back. It's okay. Looks good. I mean, the quality, though, is nice. Like I said, I'm back into the hobby, so I can't really compare it to a Revell, which is probably the next one I'll get. But I did get the, what is this? Yeah, I did get another AMT model. And I don't know, it didn't quite feel as good of quality or as detailed as this one. Maybe it's, maybe the new tooling, is really something. Here's our dashboard detail. We have to do some nice paint detail work in there to make it look good. Unless there's a decal, we'll find out in a few minutes, I guess. Differential rear end. Probably going to use the side pipe, so we won't need this crappy exhaust. Some control arms. I guess there's a stock leaf spring, and then you got your super stock leaf springs to raise the back up, is what I'm thinking that is. Some shocks. Nice set of headers here. Really good looking set of headers. We got back seat. Package tray. I'm guessing that's a spare tire cover. Probably some kind of divider between the rear hatch and the passenger compartment. Maybe it goes flat on there. I remember being in the car, about car one time when I was a kid, and a guy was filling it up. This is in the 70s, and I guess he was trying to top it off, and I remember gas busting out of the fill tank tube. On these cars, it was right in the back there, and it splashed all over the rear window. I remember that vividly. I think I was probably like 6 or 7 years old. stuff that sticks with you. Okay, we got a nice stock hood here. It looks like that's a stock steering wheel. I think it has 2 steering wheels. I'm not positive. Accessory drive. Is that a power steering pump? Maybe. Looks like it. Engine block. Oil pan. Front cover with a water pump attached, and looks like a fuel pump attached. Heads. Stock valve covers here, so you can paint them engine color. I think on AMC's it's a blue, kind of like a Chrysler blue, I believe. Oh, and see the back side of the hood has nice detail, all the supports. You could probably paint a little black in there to simulate like a hood insulation, and then keep that body color. Would be nice. Maybe we'll do that if we use that hood, because we've got hood number 2, which really wants to get your attention. So there must be a high-rise intake here somewhere. Oh, and there it is. 2 4 barrels. Mom would like that. Well, Mom wouldn't know what the heck it is, but we're gonna maybe build it with 2 4 barrels for Mom's tribute. This might be the stocks. No, this is the aftermarket steering wheel. Don't know what we'll use yet. See how they look. There's a stock carburetor, I'm guessing. These might be wing window, perhaps. If you didn't want to use the God damn it. Excuse my language, sorry. There we go. Like that. Trying to get that in there. Yeah, so the rear quarter window for these louver slats. So that might be kind of cool. We'll see. Not sure what these are. Maybe torsion bars. I said that earlier. Maybe those are the ones. Okay. A couple parts fell out there. Looks like an intake, a fan, and a distributor. All right, our transmission and engine are separate, which is kind of good. You can get a little more detail on there. This is pretty well detailed. It's an automatic, clearly. 904 or a 727, I'm guessing, for AMC. That's a unit catalytic converter. Huh. So we'll have to have a little guy saws all that thing off and go sell it at the scrapyard. Stock air cleaner. These might be our dual carburetors here. We'll have to paint those gold so they can look like Hollies. It's a 2-barrel intake. Look at that. So there must be a 2-barrel carburetor in here somewhere. Exhaust manifolds. Here's our front end. Now I've seen there's a couple of videos on this scale model on YouTube, and from what I'm seeing, the guys are assembling this first and then painting. So I might do that to avoid the lines. And you know, these guys seem to be pretty good. I know one is HPI guy or HPI guys, and he's excellent. So check out that YouTube channel. All right, so we got our 2-barrel intake here. Fan, distributor. Good. We're gonna keep those in there for now. Okay, let's get to some fun stuff. Round 2 models. Okay, 2011 to 2012. I'm guessing maybe that's when they did this tooling. Other products available. We'll probably check a couple of those out in the future. The brochure. Well, okay, let's show you what's on the brochure. Why not? We came this far. Let's take a look at it. Starts there. You got a Batmobile. Batboat. Ghostbusters, Dukes. Monsters, Star Trek. More Star Trek. Ooh, comic book stuff. I love comic book stuff. Love Kiss. It's kind of cool. Here's the one we've got. I like a wagon. That might be cool to get. Maybe a van. There's some late models. Maybe get a late model engine, put it in one of the older car models. Kind of fun. Roadrunner, Wile E. Coyote. There's some die casts and some big rigs. Okay, great. Let's take a look at the decals. Next video, I'll probably cut all this stuff open first, then start the camera rolling. Anyways, live and learn. What do we got? Some cool retro 70s style font. We have to use that. Oh, the Gremlin's upside down. We have to use that. We got to put the Gremlin on there. Like I said, my mother's car was orange, so we're gonna paint this thing orange. And I think the white stripes would probably look better than the black. So I'll probably go with the white stripes and some Gremlins on there. Maybe a sponsor decal, get some contingency money. So nice decal set, really nice. Look at that. All right, let's take a look at these directions. I'll linger on them so you can get a look at what's involved. Sets of wheels. Okay. Now, what's this piece of art all about? Let's see. And we do indeed have a beautiful looking art print here. Just like the cover. Yeah, I mean, I'd hang this up. It's my little home office up here on the back. Original art, AMC Gremlin, original art series. Yeah, I like it. It's cool. I'll put this up. So there you have it. 1976 Gremlin scale model. Thanks for watching.